The discovery came unexpectedly, in the quiet hours of the night, when astronomers were analyzing data from NASA's newest exoplanet hunting mission. At first, it seemed like just another rocky world orbiting a distant star, until they noticed something unusual. This planet wasn't just another lifeless rock drifting through space. It had something we've only ever seen on Earth: signs of life. Imagine a planet nearly twice the size of Earth, with a thick atmosphere swirling in shades of blue and green. Its surface, covered in vast oceans, glows faintly under the light of its nearby star. But here's where things get truly astonishing. Scientists have detected biosignatures in its atmosphere, gases that shouldn't be there unless something or someone is producing them. Could this be the breakthrough we've been waiting for? For decades, astronomers have searched the cosmos for a world like this, one that isn't just habitable but possibly inhabited. And now, one has appeared right next door, in cosmic terms, orbiting a star not too far from our own. But what exactly did scientists find? Could this world be home to alien life? And if so, have they already noticed us? It all started when astronomers pointed the James Webb Space Telescope toward a relatively nearby star system, one that had long been suspected of harboring potentially habitable planets. At first, the data seemed routine, just another rocky world orbiting in the habitable zone, the region where liquid water could exist. But as they analyzed the light filtering through its atmosphere, they noticed something astonishing. The planet, now designated Gliese 581g, was not just another distant exoplanet. It was a super-Earth, nearly twice the size of our planet, with an atmosphere that contained traces of oxygen, methane, and even dimethyl sulfide, a gas that, on Earth, is almost exclusively produced by living organisms. Scientists couldn't believe what they were seeing. While exoplanets with water vapor or even hints of oxygen have been found before, this was something different. The combination of gases suggested a process far more complex than simple chemistry. It hinted at biological activity. What's even more mind-blowing, this planet is only 20 light-years away, practically in our cosmic backyard. If life exists there, it's close enough that one day we might actually reach it. But the real question is, what kind of life could be thriving on this alien world? To understand why this discovery is so groundbreaking, we need to break down the science behind it. Gliese 581g is what astronomers call a super-Earth, a planet larger than Earth but smaller than Neptune. Its size suggests it has a solid surface, possibly with vast oceans or continents, making it one of the best candidates for habitability we've ever found. But what really makes this planet stand out is its atmosphere. Using a technique called spectroscopy, scientists analyzed the light that passed through its atmosphere as it moved in front of its star. This method allows researchers to identify gases based on the way they absorb different wavelengths of light, like a cosmic fingerprint. And what they found was astonishing: oxygen, methane, and even traces of dimethyl sulfide. Why is this important? On Earth, methane is unstable in an oxygen-rich environment. If both gases exist together in an atmosphere, something must be continuously producing them. And the most likely explanation is biological activity. Even more intriguing is dimethyl sulfide, DMS, a gas that on Earth is almost entirely produced by microbial life in oceans. This doesn't just suggest habitability, it strongly hints at life already existing there. NASA, in collaboration with the European Space Agency, ESA, and other leading space research institutions, is now focusing its most advanced instruments on Gliese 581g. The James Webb Space Telescope, the Hubble Space Telescope, and ground-based observatories are all working to confirm these findings. Meanwhile, private space companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are looking at the long-term possibility of sending probes, maybe even crewed missions, to investigate. If these biosignatures are real, then this could be the first time in human history that we've found alien life outside our own planet. But what kind of life could exist on this distant world? Are we talking about simple microbes, or something far more complex? This discovery changes everything. For centuries, we've wondered if Earth is unique, if life exists only here, on this small blue planet drifting through the cosmos. But now, Gliese 581g may have just given us the answer. If these biosignatures are confirmed, it would mean that life isn't just possible elsewhere in the universe, it's likely common. And if life can emerge on a super-Earth just 20 light-years away, then how many more life-bearing worlds are out there, waiting to be found? Beyond the search for alien life, this discovery has enormous implications for the future of human space exploration. If Gliese 581g has an atmosphere that supports biological processes, could it also be a future home for humanity? Its size and location within the habitable zone suggest that liquid water could exist on the surface. If we could one day send probes, or even human explorers to this world, we might not just confirm the presence of life. We might actually stand on the surface of an alien planet and witness it firsthand. But there's one question that remains unanswered. Are we alone, or is something out there watching us too? If Gliese 581g harbors life, could it be more than just microscopic organisms? Could an intelligent civilization exist there, looking up at their sky, wondering if they're alone, just as we have for so long? And here's the most chilling thought of all. What if they already know about us? The closer scientists look at Gliese 581g, the stranger it becomes. The atmospheric data isn't just hinting at biological life. It's behaving in a way that defies expectations. Some researchers speculate that the chemical imbalances in its atmosphere could be caused by something more than just primitive microbes. Could this be evidence of a thriving alien ecosystem? Or even more astonishing, signs of an advanced civilization? Here's where things take an even wilder turn. Deep space radio telescopes scanning the system recently picked up anomalous signals, strange, repeating bursts of radio waves coming from the direction of Gliese 581g. At first, scientists thought it was just background noise or interference. But the signals appear to follow a pattern, something nature rarely produces on its own. Could this be a natural cosmic phenomenon, or could it be a message? If an intelligent civilization does exist on Gliese 581g, what would they be like? Would they be far more advanced than us, exploring their own solar system just as we are? Or could they be primitive beings, still evolving, unaware that their atmospheric signatures have just given away their existence? And then there's the biggest, most unsettling question of all. If they do know we're here, what happens next? Could this be humanity's first real encounter with extraterrestrial intelligence? Or are we about to uncover something far beyond what we ever imagined? If this discovery is real, if Gliese 581g truly harbors life, then we may be standing at the edge of the greatest revelation in human history. Are we witnessing the first undeniable proof that life exists beyond Earth? Or is there something even more mysterious unfolding in this distant world? One thing is certain. The universe just became a lot more interesting. If an advanced civilization is out there, will we one day make contact? Or should we be careful about what we're reaching out to? Could this planet be a stepping stone for future human colonization? Or does it hold secrets we're not yet prepared to understand? What do you think? Are we looking at the first evidence of alien life? Or is there another explanation waiting to be uncovered? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing space discoveries.